Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I will discuss about how to scrape information from any web page, because sometimes we need to scrape or extract some information for our project for various purposes. So I will post some series videos here. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to others so others can learn from this video, and stay connected for latest videos, because if you do not subscribe my channel, then if I post a new video, then you will miss my videos. So to get my videos faster, you have to subscribe my channel. Okay, so in order to scrape company name and link using this tool, first you have to download this software in your computer. This software is available for Mac, Windows and Linux operating system. So if you were using Windows or Mac or Linux, choose the appropriate version. So I am using Windows, that's why I already downloaded this tool for my Windows and already installed this software in my system. Installation process is very easy, so don't worry about the installation. Okay, so after installation you have to register on this website in order to create a project or in order to run a project. So first you have to look at their pricing page. If I go to the pricing page, then you will see there are 4 pricing plans available. The first one is free, and you can scrape almost 200 pages of data in only 40 minutes. Actually 40 minutes timing depending on the time of your internet connection, because if your internet connection is faster, then it will be scrapped within 40 minutes, but if your connection is slow, then it may take longer. So in the free package you can scrape 200 pages per run. That means you can scrape 200 pages in a single project. But if you want to scrape more than 200 pages in a single project, then you have to pay for their premium pricing package, and you can at least 5 public projects, and you have limited support. So actually it is not limited, their support system is very good, so don't worry about the support. But it's limited means they won't provide any premium support if you are a free user, but if you have any specific query, then they are able to help you, they are ready to help. So don't worry about their support. And data retention for 14 days. So everything is fine as a free user. If you were ready for a premium user, then you can choose any standard, professional or enterprise packages as per your requirements. Okay, so here's the page I'm going to use for scraping. So I will use this URL in my scraping project. This URL is coming from yelp.com, and I'm going to scrape some restaurants based on the Florida and based on the Cooper City. So this is the page. Okay, there are several listings available in this page, and I will show you how you can scrape information using this software. So first you have to copy the URL and you have to open the software. So this is the software window that I'm going to use. First you have to click on the new project. After clicking on the new project, you will see a welcome screen as like this one, and inside of this URL box simply click on the copied URL. After entering the URL, click on start project on this URL. Okay, there's something problem, I need to double check my URL. Okay, now it's working. You have to wait until the page is completely loaded on the window. once the page is loaded, you will see there is a section in the sidebar with an option which is called empty selection. This is the sidebar which you should follow every time during the configuration of your project. So always look at the left sidebar what you are doing, and everything will be just displaying in the left sidebar. Okay, so first you have to select the first listing in this page. So scroll down the page a little bit. Okay, so it looks this is the first listing of this page, but I'm not going to select this one because this is a sponsored listing. So why I am not going to select a sponsored listing as a first item? Because this is an ad, and this listing may not be as per my requirements, and this listing may not be from Cooper City. So that's why I'm not going to select this listing as a first listing. So I will scroll down the page a little bit more. Okay, so now this is a section called all results, and here's the actual results that I filtered from Yelp. So this is the first one. As you can see, the numbering is showing 1, and this is the first listing. So I will click on this title first. Okay, so first listing is selected and it will be in green color, but other similar titles will be yellow color. So scroll down the page and look at that other similar titles is displaying as a yellow color, and every listing title is displaying as a yellow colored, and this is happening automatically. This software is automatically selected all similar listing titles in yellow color. So I will click on the second listing title from this page. Okay, here's the second listing. Okay, so do not click anywhere until the process is completed, because if you click anywhere it will take another action in this page. And always remember, this is a server-side action, and this project is actually not running based on your computer. Once you click on this project, everything is running on their web server, so this is a bit slow. So you have to be very careful during the configuration of the scraping project. Okay, so now as you can see, the select selection 1 command is detected 34 listings from this page, and I will just click on the selection 1 option and I will rename it to restaurant and hit the enter button. Okay, so now I selected all listings from this page, but think about the pagination, and this page also have a next button. So if I click on the next button, this will redirect me to the next page, and in the next page there are more listings, and again if I click on the next page, then there will be displaying more listings. So I'm not going to click every title in the next page. I will do this automatically by using this software. So now to start and selecting the pagination, I will click on the first command, which is called select page, and I click on plus sign and I click on select. Okay, now I will scroll on the page at the bottom and I'll find the next button, and this is the next option. I will click on this option. Okay, so after clicking on the next button, a new command is displaying in the sidebar, which is called select and extract selection 1. I will rename this selection on as next button. Okay, and now I will click on the plus sign and I will choose click. Okay, so a new pop-up is displaying here. It is called click setup. So it says, is next a next page button? Yes, next is a next page button for me, so I will click on yes. After clicking on yes, click on repeat current template, and this will reload the next page. In this way, this tool will automatically select all next page from this link, so you don't have to worry about all listings from next pages. Next page is selected. Now I will click on select restaurant and click on the plus sign and then choose click. It will give you a pop-up with the listing name, and it will ask you a permission that if it's the next page or not. So it seems this is a listing name and this is not a next page, so I will choose no, and it will ask you to create a new template. I will rename it to details and create new template. Now look at the sidebar. It says Persub doesn't yet know which template belongs to this page, but I know which templates belongs to this page. I need to click on the details page manually from here. If you see this type of message, then you need to click on the details tab in order to assign it to properly. Now there is an empty selection command automatically displaying here. I need to select the first element from the detail page. Look at that, the details page of this listing is displaying here. This is a listing detail page, so I will select the first one, for example category. Okay, so category is added successfully and the data preview is displaying at the bottom here, and I need to rename the command. Category, and hit the enter button. The rename will be automatically accepted. Now I have selected the first element from the detail page, and then I will select the second element from this detail page. So to select the second element, I need to click on the select page again. Click on select page and click on select, and then choose your second element, for example phone number. Phone number added. Now we'll rename this command as phone. Now I will choose the third element. Click on select page again and choose select command. For example website link. Third element has been added, and renaming it now as website. I will select some more elements from this page. I will extract business hours from this page, so I will click on select page once again and choose select. For example Monday, and I will rename it to Monday. for every element you want to scrap, you have to click on the select page and choose select. This is applicable for every element. Now I will go to the next element, so I will click on again select page and select. Tuesday data added. You can always see preview of scrapped data on selected element in the bottom. As you can see, Monday, Tuesday is displaying here, and I will again choose the Wednesday. Click on select page and choose select again. Wednesday data added, and I need to rename it. Thursday data added and renaming it. There are still 3 days remaining: Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to add all this individually here. Friday added. I will go to the next one. Saturday data added, and there is still 1 day remaining, which is Sunday. Okay, so I added all business hours in the scrapping list. Okay, so in this way you can select all necessary elements from this detail page, and when you complete selection all elements from the detail page, click on get data, and then click on run. After that, a scraping job will be started automatically, and the data collection process will be running on the Parsaf's server, so you don't have to worry about it. If you click on the cancel run, you can cancel the job anytime if you are happy with the result, especially if you're happy with the partial results. So I'm going to show you how the data is collected as per my configuration. Currently it's already collected 14 listings, so I click on the cancel run. Run successfully cancelled, preparing partial results for download, and there are 2 options, which is CSV and Excel. You can choose which options is best fit for you. And also you can download JSON file or you can use it as API, but I'm right now clicking on the CSV or Excel option to see how the CSV file is actually generated for me. So I will choose the open now direct. Here's the scrapped CSV file. As you can see, this is the restaurant name, and the second one is restaurant URL, and the third one is restaurant category, fourth one is restaurant phone, fifth one is website URL, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All data is successfully scrapped as per my configuration. The tool is working perfectly, so you can use this tool in order to use for your scrapping project. This is a very fantastic tool, so this will save a lot of time, especially you do not need to copy paste every listing title and listing data for your project. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with others so others can learn from this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I will post a new video very soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.